Hello and welcome to another coding challenge video. First of all, let me please thank everyone who has subscribed to the channel so far. Your support and feedback are invaluable, so please keep the suggestions coming. Now returning to today's video, in order to understand the challenge, let's look at these examples. Here we have a function called encrypt, which takes two inputs, a string and a number. The output is a seemingly random string of characters which represents our encrypted string. Now here comes the tricky part. Your challenge today is actually twofold. First, you must understand what the encryption mechanism is, and then write a function which implements this method. The second part, based on your successful completion of the first, is to write a second function which reverses the process and, starting from the encrypted string, decrypts it and returns the original message. As usual, you have 1 week to complete the challenge, and I wish you all the best of luck in doing so. I have left links on your screen to my previous challenges and tutorials should you require inspiration. Until next time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and as always, happy coding!